Look how close. I usually do this live, but you don't know if they're going to run right away or what. And by the time the live thing gets revved up or whatever, sometimes and then you get the thing focused, they take off. Man, he's like close enough to sniff my foot right now. See, they're getting more comfortable coming up here. I don't want to lean forward on my chair and scare him. Him or her or whatever. Hey, you enjoying that? What the? My butt was hurting. I had to trying to adjust my butt on this chair. I leaned forward just a little bit and he takes it right off. Oh well, it's a long enough video anyway. He'll come back.